Hi there. How are you all? Hope you had a nice weekend and hope you have gone through the introductory lectures of Merchant of Venice in this weekend. I hope you saw the movie also. I had sent you that. If you have not seen, kindly go to YouTube. You might find a movie with Hindi subtitles too. So, those who are finding it difficult to understand it in English, you can see it in Hindi also. And it's a recommendation that please go through the introductory lectures. Please see the movie so that you are able to understand the story in a much, much better way. Okay, so now in this week we will be studying Merchant of Venice, Act 1 and Scene 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the act is made up of 3 scenes, and we'll be studying those 3 scenes in this week, right? So today I'm going to start with Act 1, Scene 1. I already told you, and you have already, some of you have gone through the story, so you know the story is about the Merchant of Venice. The Merchant of Venice is actually Antonio. He's the only person who is addressed to as the merchant in the whole story, okay? And he's a very serious kind of a man, a very philosophical kind of a person. His friends are always wondering why is he so sad. So the scene opens with Antonio, as usual, in a very pensive mood, in a very thoughtful mood. He is thinking, and his friends, Salarino and Salenio, are talking to him. And they are trying to ask him what is the reason of his sadness. Why is he always sad? Why is he in such a mood? And then he answers them that he is not sad. So उनमें से एक फ्रेंड पूछता है कि क्या आप इसलिए दुखी हो कि आपका आपके जो शिप्स हैं वो पानी में हैं या दे आर ऑन द सी and you're worried about them that they haven't returned back, or maybe you're worried about your business. And Antonio says, no, it's not that. My business doesn't depend on one ship. I have many ships, so I'm not worried about that. It's just that I just feel like being in this mood. So another friend of his says कि अगर तुम बिजनेस से भी परेशान नहीं हो और तुम अपने शिप्स को लेके भी परेशान नहीं हो तो कोई और बात ऐसी हो गई होगी तुम्हारे साथ जो कुछ किसी ने कुछ कहा तो नहीं, somebody said something to you. And he says no, nothing like that has happened to him, and they are just being too they are worrying about him too much. And then they tease him and they say, Antonio, if it is not because of business that you are sad, it's not because of the ships that you are sad, it's not because of the other things that you are sad or you are so thoughtful and so serious, then definitely you are in love. And Antonio says that no, definitely not. I'm not that kind of a person who will fall in love, or I'm so sad or so thoughtful about the person I love. It is not at all like that. तो उसको वो फ्रेंड्स लोग उसको ऐसे ही बोलते कि नहीं नहीं, ऐसा हो जाता है कि जब शिप जो होते हैं जब वो पानी पे होते हैं या फिर जब वो सीमर पर होते हैं तो थोड़ा सा तो डर लगा ही रहता है, बिकॉज you may worry about the sea pirates, you can worry about the sea storms, and even like his friends, they are all businessmen. हर किसी का जो ships हैं वो सी पर रहते हैं, they have export and import business. So they also say कि when my ships are also there on the sea, हम लोग को भी डर लगा रहता है, and sometimes we pluck a ग्रास, जैसे कि एक पत्ती लेकर या एक घास लेकर हवा में दिखाते हैं ये देखने के लिए कि हवा किस तरफ बह रही है. तो क्या सी स्टॉर्म आने की आशंका है कि नहीं है। सो हम लोग भी ऐसे बिहेव करते हैं। अगर तुम्हारे को ये डर है या ये प्रॉब्लम है तो तुमको हमसे छुपाने की बात नहीं है, हम लोग तो तुम्हारे दोस्त ही हैं। तो दूसरा वाला सैलरीनो बोलता है कि अरे तुम तो हवा में घास देखते हो, मैं तो सूप पीता हूँ, और जब मैं गर्म होता है सूप, एंड व्हेन आई ब्लो द सूप फॉर इट टू गेट कोल्ड, then also I feel as if I dream as if the sea waves are coming and they are hitting the ship and the ship has broken up and all the things in the ship that are spices or clothes or silks, और वो सब पानी में बह रहे हैं। मुझे तो ऐसे डरावने सपने भी आते हैं कभी कभी। तो अगर तुम अपने बिजनेस को लेके वरीड हो, you're depressed or you're still wondering what will happen, don't worry, it happens with everybody. But Antonio says, no, you people are unnecessary bothering about it. It's not like that. I'm perfectly fine. This is my nature. I'm a serious kind of a person, and there's nothing much you can do about it. And while these three people are talking to each other, वहाँ पे बसानियो, लॉरेंजो और ग्रसानियो भी आ जाते हैं, राइट? सो दे आर अ ग्रुप. Now you have to pay attention while you will be reading. In your free time you can just go through the text also. One thing more, if you see the book, okay, you will get the text on both the sides. Now this side of the text, that is some of the books, not all, okay, some of the books, on the left side of the text will be the text in Old English, in Shakespearean English. On this side of the book, that is on your right side, the text will be in simple English. So if you have a book like that, I have one. Generally all the books till now that I have taught are like that only. तो जो राइट साइड पे टेक्स्ट है वो सिंपल इंग्लिश में है, वो आप पढ़िएगा, ओके? So coming to the text again, this Bassanio is Antonio's best friend, and Lorenzo and Grassanio are also a part of the group of friends that they have. And तीनों लोग आते हैं तो Salarino और Salarino, and all of them know that Antonio loves Bassanio very much and he is very close to Bassanio. So they come in and they say कि now that Bassanio has come, you will be very happy. क्योंकि वो जैसे हम लोग के भी फ्रेंड सर्कल में एक ना एक हो, जैसे 5-6 लड़कियों का ग्रुप होता है या बॉयज़ का ग्रुप होता है, तो कोई एक होता है जिससे आप ज़्यादा क्लोज होते हैं। वैसे ही एंटोनियो इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू बसानियो. So everybody teases him that now that Bassanio has come, now you don't need anybody else, so let us go and we will leave you in better company. तो Salarino और Salinio वहाँ से चले जाते हैं. So now Antonio is left with Lorenzo, Grassanio and Bassanio. Now Bassanio's characteristic that we are introduced to is that he's a very social person. He's a friendly person. Even Antonio is, but he is a little reserved. But Bassanio is not. He loves to party. He loves to spend time with his friends. तो जब वो लोग एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं तो वो कहते हैं कि बड़े दिन हो गए हम लोग एक दूसरे से मिले नहीं हैं, and we should be having a party soon. And they say कि okay, we will meet in the evening and we will decide where we should have a party. तो खैर ये लोग बोल के वो दोनों जब जाते हैं तो लोरेंजो और ग्रसानियो भी आपस में बात करते हैं, and they say कि yes Antonio, it's been a long time that we have had a get together, so why don't we meet? And Antonio is again in a very serious mood, and his expressions are also generally very serious, and he says जैसा तुम लोग का हो तो जो अब इन सब दोस्तों में जो ग्रसानियो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बात करता है और बहुत नॉनसेंसिकल बातें करता है, बहुत स्टूपिड बातें करता है. So Grassanio, he says that why are you so sad always? What's the reason why are you so serious always? So जो शेक्सपियर का एक बड़ा फेमस डायलॉग है, Antonio says that dialogue that this world is a stage, and I means Antonio has a, and all the people in this world are actors, or they are they have a part to play, and his part is that of a sad one. Okay, so he says that I regard this world, Grasanio, merely as a stage on which every man has to play the part, mine a sad one. Okay, so he says that कि ये जो वर्ल्ड है वो एक स्टेज की तरह है, सबको हर एक रोल मिला हुआ है, और एंटोनियो का रोल जो है वो एक सैड आदमी का है, इसलिए जनरली वो सैड रहता है. So Grasanio says कि okay, I understand that you have a sad part to play, but my part is that of a clown, so I prefer to stay like that only. And it is always good to make people laugh and make people happy. And then he says that, but there are, Grasanio also says that, you know, there are type of people who, you know, try to portray that they are very serious and very, you know, serene, and they always show that there is this something serious about them, just because they want to make an impression on the others that ये ना ज़्यादा फालतू बातें करता है और बहुत समझदार आदमी है. तो ऐसे लोग ना अच्छे नहीं होते हैं, राइट. और एक होते हैं कि उनका जो कैरेक्टर है वही ऐसा होता है कि मीन्स दे हैव अ नेचर. So he says you are like, I don't know which category you fall in. Do you portray to be a serious man to make an impression on others, or you are like that? I don't know, but I am like a clown and I would prefer to stay like that. तो उतने यही सब बात करते करते वो लोरेंजो कहता है ठीक है तुमने बहुत बोल दिया ग्रेसानियो, now let's go and leave both of them alone to talk to each other. And then Lorenzo and Bassanio also leave them and go. Now Antonio and Bassanio are left to talk to each other. Now it is at this point that Bassanio will be telling him why he has come to meet him and for what does he require the money. Okay, so first of all Bassanio says that I am so sorry Antonio. Bassanio की तो आदत है ज़्यादा बात करने की, तो इसलिए वो तुमसे इतना कुछ बोल गया है, उसकी बातों का बुरा मत मानना. तो एंटोनियो कहता है नहीं, बुरा मानने की तो बात ही नहीं है, मेरे को पता है कि मैं एक सीरियस काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन हूँ, मुझे ज़्यादा मजाक मस्ती पसंद आती नहीं है, तुम तो जानते ही हो मैं कितना रिजर्व्ड हूँ. सो इट्स ओके इफ पीपल थिंक अबाउट मी लाइक दैट, आई कांट हेल्प इट, आई एम लाइक दैट. So he says, never mind, but you are still my best friend. And Antonio says that there's no doubt about it and I can do anything for you. And you also know that. So Bassanio says that, my friend, I have come to you with to ask you a favor. And Antonio says that why do you have to ask me for a favor? You can ask me anything and I'll do it for you. So he says that nahi, you have been with me since I was very young, and in school also you have been with me and you have always been there. You have always helped me. You have always whenever I needed you or whenever I needed some money, I've always come to you, and you have never asked back also. Whatever you have given me, you have never told me ki give it back to me. So there are times when I have taken advantage of you also, but you have to understand that you are my friend. And he says that why are you explaining this to me, Bassanio? I know that you are my best friend, and you also know that there is no, I will never ever ask you for anything back, and I will always be there as long as you need me and however you need me and whenever you need me. So I will be there for you. So Bassanio says, I have to tell you about something. So he says, yeah, please go ahead. And he says, you know, there's a lady by the name of Portia in Belmont, and I want to marry her. And he says, wow, that's great news. And he says, how do you know that girl? Have you met her before? And he says, you know, once I had gone to Belmont and I have just seen her. We have seen each other, and I'm very sure that it was love at first sight, and I like her and she also likes me, but we have never spoken to each other. So he says, then what's the plan? What do you want to do next? So he says, ki, I want to go to Belmont, and I have heard that she's going to get married, and there's this whole lot of people coming to meet her. जैसे स्वयंवर रचाया जाता है वैसे उसका स्वयंवर रचाया जा रहा है बेलमोंट में, और मैं वहाँ जाना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि मुझको पूरा भरोसा है कि मैं उससे शादी कर सकूँगा और आई विल बी द राइट पर्सन and I will be able to marry this lady. So I want to go. So he says, that's great news. So how can I help you? And he says, then for that I need money to go there, and I need 3,000 ducats. And he says 3,000 ducats is like, it's not much money for me, but I'm sorry that I do not have any cash just now. So, and my ships are on the sea, and immediately I cannot give you. So we will have to ask for a loan. And he says that I'm so sorry that I'm putting you in this situation that you have to ask a loan on for me. And Antonio says that this is nothing, I can do anything for you, but my heart aches to tell you that right now I can't give you the cash immediately because I do not have, but definitely we can go out and we can go to the market and we can arrange for a loan, and let's see how we will be able to arrange it. Okay, so scene 1 ends over here. So with this we come to the end of this lecture. Eid Mubarak to all of you, and again, when you get free time, please see the movie, go through the introductory lectures. It will be easy for you. Take care. Bye.